bubble shucks back at you. You dig? Gonna check on the garden. Last year I had this. Let me turn this sideways. Last year I had this. It's so dark. It's weird. I'll keep it like this. Last year I had this. I had all these growing upside down, and it didn't do so well. But the tomatoes from that year, I transported them to my other greenhouse last fall, and grew them in the greenhouse. You know what I'm saying? And they survived. And so the suckers off of those joints, I transplanted them here, and peeping how they doing. You know, I got some cucumbers and zucchini. You dig? You know, they doing real good. I hung up this string and wire. I want to see how that's gonna do. You know, the tomato plants kind of grow like a vine. You know, so wow, that ain't doing so good. Check that out. Damn. I just straighten that out. You know what I'm saying? But for the future. You know what I mean? Check it out. I got some green leaf growing there. That's what's up. Oh, that's what's it, cayenne pepper? No, that's a jalapeno. No doubt. You know what I'm saying? But that's just one of the little mini gardens. You know, it's only me and my daughter, so you know I don't have to grow a whole village of food. Although I would like to, but it'd be a waste of food. And I'll be feeding all of these effing squirrels, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I'm thinking, I forgot what I planted here. I'm thinking, ow, I don't know what I stepped on with it. It hurt. I think this is a I use a sunflower. Yeah, sunflower. Yeah, wow. I hope that's what that is. I mean, it's growing super tall. I built this bench a while back. You can see the stones. I was going to use mortar for that, but I wound up using a liquid nail, you know, and some leftover, or actually some scrap materials that I found on the side of the road to kind of piece that together. One of my banana plants is coming up. You can see it right there. Peek that. Let's see what's up. You know, because my life has meaning. You dig? Oh, check that banana plant out. It's doing good. I got to put some more rocks over here. I'm thinking the rocks will kind of keep down on the mushrooms that's going to grow in probably a month. You know, because it'll rain and the drainage is just super duper poor over here. And I just have mushrooms that kind of emit this loud smell everywhere, and I don't quite dig it. You know what I mean? So let's keep it going. Peep that. Oh, check out. Well, never mind. Let's check this little mini garden out right here. Hung up some more strings, you dig? You know. Yeah, check that tomato plant out. So like I said, all of them plants were from tomatoes I actually originally bought and ate, and I just kept the seeds and let them dry out, you know, for about 6 months, and you know, put them in a napkin, a wet napkin, and I allowed them to germinate. And you know, they did their thing. We're gonna see what's gonna happen this year with it, though. But it's doing pretty good. You feel me? I'm kind of excited. You know, check it out. Like I say, it's just 2 people in this in my house. You know, this is doing pretty good. You know, originally that was one of my hydroponic towers. You know, and it was just a lot of maintenance. It was like a second job with that thing, and I had it in my house, so I just I take it outside and just grow flowers on it. You know, now these tomato plants are getting down. I mean, whoa, you gotta be about it right here. You know, they doing pretty good. Gotta change the sound on that. Let's see what. Oh, so I've been experimenting with these bonsai trees. Most of my bonsai trees, I got them in what do you call them, planters. But what I'm gonna do here, and these are Leland cypresses, I'm gonna keep them small. I'm not gonna let them get over maybe 5 feet tall, and just see kind of what happens. And I'm hoping that the roots won't stretch out too far. That's the last thing I need right here. But yeah, we're just chilling today. You know what I'm saying? Taking you on a tour. I got a lot of baby ones too. Like peep that those are growing actually. Like cut stems, or I don't know if you call them stems, but let's say I just snipped this, and I used some root growth hormone, and they're growing, which is cool. I'm gonna have to take this off. That ain't doing so well right there, but whoa, I just walked through a spider web. Wasn't groovy. Well, this is the longest video I done made. What's up with that? But we still going. Let's see what's up with the homies. What up, Jimmy? What up, D? Jimmy again. That's Delilah from Dead Presidents. What up, Mike? That's Mike after the surgery. There go baby Mike before the surgery. Uh-oh, there go Lorenz Tate. What's up, dog? There go the Jacksons. They just chilling. That's all we do. We just kick it. Let's see what these homies doing. Oh, that's Chris Tuck and Lorenz, Dead President style. You know what I'm saying? The Jacksons getting down. D'Angelo sipping some voodoo liquid. The Jacksons chilling, posing. That's what we do, cuz. Uh-oh, here go Excalibur. You know what I'm saying? Still working. Got the epoxy resin. Here goes some lemon plants. Maybe 2 lemon plants, 2 limes. And those actually, those are lemons that I was eating, and I just kept the seeds, you dig? Life is something else. All you gotta do is just pay attention. I got some weeping willows growing here. A few of those I'm gonna turn into bonsai trees if I can, and a few of those, or another bit of them, I'm gonna use as like a fencing, I guess. But I don't want them to get too tall because they have wild roots as well. So, so that's that. Let's go on back into the joint. Well, actually, no. So that's what we doing on this Sunday afternoon. Just living, surviving. Or as the Reaper say, keeping it 1,000. The Reaper. My man. Alright. Dig on life, I guess. Bubba Shucks. Keeping it 2,000. And that includes the good and the bad. And the mistakes. And the successes. If that's a word. You know what I mean? For the real. Alright. One love.